The man convicted of killing a Hamilton County deputy is fighting for a chance at a new trial.
His post-conviction hearing began this morning. News Channel 9's Micaiah Thurman joins us now with the story. Micaiah.
Marlon Duane Kiser faces 3 death sentences after being convicted for a shooting back in 2001. Now, although that happened, he's now taking a second chance at freedom. More than a decade after a jury convicted him of murdering a Hamilton County deputy sheriff, Marlon Duane Kiser is back in court. The inmate faces 3 death sentences after being convicted for shooting Deputy Donald Bond with a high-powered assault rifle back in 2001. Bond interrupted Kiser trying to torch a fruit stand in East Brainerd. Today, Kiser's attorneys asked the court to overturn his sentence and his conviction because they say public defenders in his 2003 trial were not effective.
I've been following the case and when you're representing the client, supposedly shot Donald Bond.
Kiser's attorney played a recorded conversation for Judge Don Poole.
He is not the one. He's not the one. He is not the one.
On the recording, Mike Hurd, who also took the stand today, tells the public defender's office that he has information on the real killer, but he says nobody ever returned his call.
The public defender's office never asked you for your name. At any point, did anybody from the public defender's office contact you?
No.
The defense also put Kiser's neighbor on the stand, who testifies that she lied to police to cover for the real killer, Mike Chatton, who is now dead. She says she lied because she was scared of him, but saw Kiser the night of the murder.
Prior to you being outside, Mr. Kiser, about this time around 1:30 that you're talking about, had you seen him earlier that night?
Yeah. Where my living room stuff is, there's a window that you can see over into Mike's house, and he was on the couch asleep.
Judge Don Poole continued the hearing until October 20th, where he will hear more from the prosecution. As for Marlon Kiser, he remains on death row in a maximum security prison in Nashville.
Okay, when this happened, I was here. I remember it, and it was a huge story. It still is. It was very emotional. And I was watching some of the video today, and Marlon Duane Kiser's demeanor in the courtroom. Was that surprise you at all?
It did. It seemed to be more calm than anything else. He didn't seem alarmed or solemn, but almost run of the mill, like this was a day-to-day thing for him.
Wow. All right, Micaiah, thank you very much. Appreciate it.